Hello everyone, my name is Malcolm Oluwafumini. I remain the creative director of Untitled Chapter, and today we want to look at how to modify our basic skirt for culottes. And we all know that culottes is a divided skirt. All you need is your basic skirt block for your center front, your center back, and your center front. So already I have my center back traced out, so I'm going to do the following. But before that, I want to appreciate everyone for your like, for subscribing, and for your comments, and I promise we will do better. Thank you so much. So first thing first is to trace out your basic block with either the back or the front, but I am going to start with the center back. This is my hip line, and this A to B is the crotch depth, which I roll across. So the next thing I'm going to do is to locate my C, is to divide my hip measurement into 8 parts. 8 parts plus 3 1/4 inch. So this is where I'm going to roll it out. So this point will remain my C. I'm going to locate the midway between A and B. Between A and B, it's very simple. Before you know it, we are done. So I'll make that my D. Now the measurements between B to C is what you're going to use here. So let me make here E. So let's say E to F. You take the measurements. Remember, it's 1/8 of your hip measurement plus 3/4. So here remains my F. So B to B1 is going to be a diagonal line, which I'm going to use to shape my crotch to D. So what do? I use my master curve to locate the angle. I'm going to create a diagonal line in this direction, and I'm going to use 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. I said that so you can have it. This is B1. Then we connect it to D. If you have your crotch tool, you can use it. You connect it in this direction and in this direction. So we have our center back ready. You can pick your darts. It's very simple. We have our center back ready. So let's quickly go for a center front. So for the center front, we are doing almost the same thing we did on the center back. There's just little adjustments. So we stopped at F. So I'll make here G. Then this will be H. So H to high is 1/8 of your hip measurement. 1/8 of your hip measurement minus, that is less 3/4. So this will be our high. We're going to take it down I, J. So J to K, 1/8 of the hip measurement minus 3/4 inch. So this will be my K. And G to H, you locate the middle like we did on the center back. So now to get our diagonal line from H, you're going to mark it in this format. So on that diagonal line, which is going to be our H1, you're going to use 1.5. 1.5. So you connect in this direction. So we are done already. We are done with the center back and the center front. It's very simple. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned, and I hope you will like our video. Kindly share with friends and those that need this skill. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like it. Leave your comments below. Thank you.